the bus rides, the championship wins we will never forget, and heartbreaking losses we can't seem to forget. Here's to the trainers who kept us upright, professors who gave us grace, and teammates who became family. We might be leaving the field, but let's be honest, we're not done playing. We're just heading into bigger arenas and hopefully ones where we don't have to wake up before the sun.
If I had one message to you all, it would be to not let anyone take away your shine. Continue to shine bright and don't ever dim your light, for we are each unique, and what makes us stand out must be celebrated. You are strong, you are smart, you are worthy. You dictate your own life, and all you need to do is keep pushing and keep giving it your all. Today's not the end, today's the beginning, to write the next chapter in our lives.
You're all going to do well. You wouldn't be here if you weren't prepared properly for it. And I just want you to know that as you make the transition from being a precious responsibility to a truly prepared person, and a person who is an alumni as our proudest achievement at this university. I wish you all well. Congratulations.
As we leave Fisher and step into what becomes next, grad school, full-time job, research, and military, or even a well-earned break, I want to leave you with this. Don't be afraid to build the spaces you once knew. If something is missing, create it. If someone is struggling, lift them up. If a door doesn't open, build your own. Because we've already proven we have what it takes, not just to succeed, but to make things better for the people coming after us.
Your earned degree and this commencement moment are not just about the acquisition of knowledge and the development of skills. It's also about growth, and grace. Grace for us especially when things didn't go as planned. As we walk across this stage today, I want you to remember, this is not the finish line. It's be a launch pad. You are not behind. You're not late. Your story unfolded exactly as it is to.
By your desire and decision to attend St. John Fisher, your admittance through the rigorous screening process, followed by your hard work when you were here, you showed those of us who are with you that you are the bright and strong community of talented graduates. You are the resource from which our country and world leaders will emerge. You will rise to the challenge to mold the future. And I personally say thank you to each and every one of you.
Each person you encounter will be somebody's entire world. A beloved parent, a cherished child, a close friend. These are their vulnerable moments where you will be their strength, their advocate, their hope, and their support. I challenge each of you to make a difference in all that you do and impact as many lives as you possibly can. To the class of 2025, you've chosen a path that will challenge you every single day to be your best self. You've chosen to dedicate your lives to helping others. And so with that said, the world awaits you.
Nurses, mental health professionals, and public health care workers are everywhere that health care is provided. Together, we have the power to improve health care in this country for all patients and families, wherever and whoever they are. One of the things I've learned over the years is never say never. Accept these challenges. With a degree from Fisher, you are well prepared.
We are about to walk into a world that is unpredictable and demanding. Some days will break our hearts. Others will be filled with joy. But no matter what, we will make a difference. Because we are nurses now. And nurses, we don't run away from the fire. We walk into it together as a team with gloves on and a willingness to go the extra mile to save a patient's life. As we embark on our journeys beyond Fisher, remember that you are capable of anything you put your mind to, that you can ask for help, and that you are a fisher-nurse.
Your education has challenged you to advance your knowledge and skills to make a tangible difference in the lives of others. As you move into your next chapter, carry this spirit with you. Be individuals who not only identify challenges, but who rise to meet them. Yours is a chapter in the Fisher story and in our growth, successes, and new beginnings. Today, as we reflect on your achievements, we proudly celebrate you.